Hello children, welcome back to online class. So I hope all of you are doing good at your home. In previous class, I had explained you the second lesson of your English 2 textbook, that is the lost ship. And there all of you understood that how did the little boy find out his lost ship. And now we will solve some question and answers and do some exercise related to that lesson. Okay, all of you just look at the first question here. Here what has been written? Who said these words? Tick the correct words. All of you just look at the page number 13 from your English 2 textbook. Question number A, that is comprehension. Who said these words? Tick the correct word. First question is, I am crying because my ship has run away. In this lesson, who said these words? These words were said by the little boy. All of you just tick there, okay, where I ticked it. Next question. The bee will sting me. I must run. Who said these words? The ship or the boy? Related to this story, the ship had said these words. So all of you just tick there, okay. Now we are coming to the next question, that is write one word answers. What did the little boy have? We all know that little boy have what? That little boy had a ship. What is the spelling of ship? S-H-E-E-P. Okay? It has not written clearly. I will write it again. Wait. What is the spelling of ship? That is S-H-E-E-P. That little boy had a ship. Okay? Now we are coming to our next question, that is, where did the ship run away? We all know that the ship ran away into the forest. Now you all have to write the spelling of the forest. Forest means jungle. The ship has run away into the forest. Okay, we will write the spelling of the forest here. Wait, what is the spelling of forest? That is F-O-R-E-S and T. What is the spelling of forest? F-O-R-E-S-T. That ship has run away into the forest. Okay, and don't forget to put the full stop at the end of the sentence. But this is not a sentence, it's only a small words. Okay, so first one has a ship, a little boy had a ship, and the second one is the ship has run away into the forest. Okay, now we are coming to our third one, that is, what did the ship want to eat? We all know that what did ship eat? What do the ship eat? The ship eats what? Grass. Now we will write the spelling of the grass here. The ship wanted to eat the grass, but we have here, the question has given that write only one word answer. So we will write only single answer here. And what is the spelling of grass? That is G-R-A-S-S, grass. Okay, G-R-A-S-S. What is the spelling of grass? G-R-A-S-S, grass. What is the meaning of grass in Odia? Grass means ghaso. Okay, we all know that ship eats grass. Okay, now we are coming to our fourth one, that question is, where did the little boy want to go? Where did the little boy want to go? The little boy wanted to go home. So what we will write here now? we will write the spelling of home here. Okay, what is the spelling of home? That is HOME. Okay, now we are coming to a fifth one, that is who made the ship go home? Finally, who made the ship go home? We all know that what will be the answer? The answer will be the little bee. We can write the bee. Okay, what is the spelling of bee and what is the meaning of bee in Odia? Bee means mohumachi. Okay, now we will write the spelling of bee here. That is B E E. Okay. Now we came to the third one, that is label the animals in the picture. All of you have to write the name of the animals. Okay, with the help of the help box given here. So first we will write the name of this animal. What is the name of this animal? You all know that it is a domestic animal and we are aware of it. So what will be the answer here? It will be cow. Next one, it is cat. Next one, it is rabbit. What is the spelling of rabbit? RABBIT, rabbit. Okay, now this one has already written, it is the spelling of peacock. Okay, all of you just remember the spellings also. Here came a big animal. What is the name of this animal? It is an elephant. We will write the spelling of elephant here. What is the spelling of elephant? All of you just look at the help box here. The spelling of elephant is ELEPHANT. Elephant. Okay, now we are coming to the last one, that is this is a monkey. We can easily guess it by look the picture. Just look at the picture. It is hanging on the tree. Monkeys are jumping here and there. So what is the spelling of monkey here? MONKEY, monkey. Okay, now we came to the next page and that is question number D. How do these animals move? Just look at the first one here. First one has already done. A bee flies. We all know that bee flies. But second one, a snake hops or crawls. Hops means like jumping and crawls means slithering. Okay, so what will be the answer? Snake crawls. Just circle it. Snake crawls. Now we are coming to the third one. A fish crawls or swims? Fish swims. Okay, now we came to the fourth one, that is a rabbit hops or swims. Rabbit jumps. And what is the meaning of hop? Hops means jump. So circle the hope here. HOPS, hopes. Now fifth one, a duck swims or crawls? A duck swims. And coming to the Sixth one, a horse flies or trots. Did you ever hear that a horse flies? It is the wrong answer. A horse trots. Okay? I hope all of you have circled it. Now we will come to the next one, that is question number E. Just look at the question number E. Here question is, join the letters to make words starting with B and C. So here first word has given, that is B, and we have to write the name of some words by joining B and these given words. First one has been done for us. Now we will write the second one, that is, if we will join B and AT, what will be the spelling? It is bat. B-A-T, bat. Now coming to the next one, that is bed. B-E-D, bed. Okay? Now we came to the second one, that is C. We have to join C with the words, with the letters. First one is C-A-P, cap. Second one is C-A-T, cat. And third one is C-A-R, car. Okay? I hope all of you are writing it in your textbooks. Now we will see the next one, that is punctuation. Do you know the meaning of punctuation? You all are so small to understand this. In higher class you will understand about it, but let me explain it shortly. Punctuation means like full stop, comma, these type of symbols are known as punctuation. Okay? But here you have to write with, just read the question here, rewrite these names, begin with a capital letter. So here we have to write these words, begin with a capital letter. Starting capital, we have to write the capital letter of the word. Okay? First one has been done for us. So here a spelling has written a name of a girl, that is Tina. So here T has written capital. So like that we have to write other words also. Second one, just look at the second one. It is Sia. It is also a name of a girl. So we have to put capital S here, and remaining we will write with small words, Sia. Okay? Now we are coming to the third one, Rita. And we have to write capital R, R-I-T-A, Rita. Next one we are coming Ali, A-L-I, Ali. Next one we are coming Raman. So we have to write capital R here, R-A-M-A-N. It is not clear, I will write it again. R-A-M-A, space is not there. R-A-M-A-N. Okay? Now we are coming to the last one, that is Rosa. R-O-S-A. Okay? For me it is difficult to write on the screen, that's why this writing is like this, but you have to write it properly, understood? With the help of pencil and eraser. So we have finished until question number F. In next class we will do the remaining exercise. Until here you all have to write these answers in your textbook, and you all have to understood it properly and read each and every spelling and try to understand it. Okay. Okay, all of you have a good day. Thank you.